Happy morning, children. Before we begin today's class, let's have a quick recap on subtraction. Do you know what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away one number from another number. The terms take away and find the difference implies subtraction. We find how many left, how many more, how many less than, and the difference of through subtraction. Subtraction is also called as the reverse process of addition. Let's see what are the terms we use for the numbers we subtract. The number from which another number is subtracted is called the minuend. The number which is subtracted from the minuend is called the subtrahend. The result we get after subtraction is called as the difference. Example, take away 4 from 10. We get 6. Here 10 is the minuend, 4 is the subtrahend, and 6 is called as a difference. Remember, when the minuend is same as the subtrahend, the difference is 0. Example, 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. When 0 is a subtrahend, the difference is the minuend. Example, 25 minus 0 is equal to 25. In this session, we are going to see how to subtract a 3-digit number from a 3-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. First, let's see subtraction without regrouping. Subtract 123 from 346. To subtract these numbers, first we have to arrange them according to the place value starting from ones place. Write the smaller number below the bigger number and start subtracting the digits from ones place. In the number 346, we have 6 in ones place, 4 in tens place, and 3 in hundreds place. In the number 123, we have 3 in ones place, 2 in tens place, and 1 in hundreds place. After arranging the numbers in column wise, we start subtracting the digits from the ones place. Here 6 is greater than 3. So take away 3 ones from 6 ones. We get 3 ones. We write 3 under the ones column. Now subtract the digits in tens place. Here 4 is greater than 2. Therefore 4 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 2 tens. We write 2 under the tens column. Finally, subtract the digit in hundreds column. Here 3 is greater than 1. Therefore 3 hundreds minus 100 is equal to 2 hundreds. We write 2 under the hundreds column. Thus 346 minus 123 is 223. Now let's see subtraction with regrouping. Subtract 145 from 382. To subtract these numbers, first we have to arrange them according to the place value starting from ones place. Write the smaller number below the bigger number and start subtracting the digits from ones place. In the number 382, we have 2 in ones place, 8 in tens place, and 3 in hundreds place. In the number 145, we have 5 in ones place, 4 in tens place, and 1 in hundreds place. After arranging the numbers in column wise, we start subtracting the digits from the ones place. Here 2 is less than 5. We are going to borrow 110 from tens place. In tens place we have 8 tens and I am going to take away 110 and regroup the ones column as 2 ones plus 10 ones is equal to 12 ones. Now take away 5 ones from 12 ones. We get 7 ones. We write 7 under the ones column. Now let's subtract the digits in tens place. Since 110 was borrowed by the ones column, 7 tens is left. Here 7 is greater than 4. If you take away 4 tens from 7 tens, we get 3 tens. We can write 3 under the tens column. Finally, let's subtract the digits in hundreds place. Here 3 is greater than 1. If you take away 100 from 3 hundreds, we get 2 hundreds. Therefore, we write 2 under the hundreds column. Thus, 382 minus 145 is 237. Subtract 145 from 327. To subtract these numbers, first we have to arrange them according to the place value starting from ones place. Write the smaller number below the bigger number and start subtracting the digits from ones place. In the number 327, we have 7 in ones place, 2 in tens place and 3 in hundreds place. In the number 145, we have 5 in ones place, 4 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. After arranging the numbers in column wise, we start subtracting the digits from ones place. Here 7 is greater than 5. If you take away 5 ones from 7 ones, we get 2 ones. We can write 2 under the ones column. Now subtract the digits in tens place. Here 2 is less than 4. We are going to borrow 100 from hundreds place. In hundreds place, we have 3 hundreds and I am going to take away 100 and regroup the tens column as 2 tens plus 10 tens is equal to 12 tens. Now take away 4 tens from 12 tens. We get 8 tens. We can write 8 under the tens column. Finally, let's subtract the digits in hundreds place. Since 100 was borrowed by the tens column, 200 is left. Here 2 is greater than 1. If you take away 100 from 200s, we get 100. Therefore, we write 1 under the hundreds column. Thus, 382 minus 145 is 182. Now I will give you some assignment problems related to these topics. Kindly do it and submit it. Thank you. Have a nice day.